Welcome back. Today we are going to make a graphic tee using yarn. If you would like to try this on your own, you're gonna need a t-shirt, some yarn, thread and an image of your choosing. Today I'm using this line art created from one of my old designs. To make it a bit easy on myself, I made some arrows on top of the art, just to keep me on track with the direction that I'm going to be sewing in. I used tracing paper to put my image on and placed it under my t-shirt. Then started outlining my design onto the t-shirt using Tailor Chalk. This step is completely optional, and I'll show you why at the end of this video. But for now, let's get started. Make sure you pick thread that matches the color of your yarn. Pro tip: use a piece of tape and straw to help feed your yarn through your sewing machine and line it up with your needle and thread.
Tecnologia!
Another tip for anyone sewing along: to make sure your yarn isn't bouncing around. I suggest getting a bowl to keep the yarn in place and put it behind your sewing machine. Now we're going to feed the yarn through the straw and start sewing. You might have to sew a bit slower or pivot the needle a few times. I had to do this multiple times when sewing this because there are a lot of curves in the graphic I chose. But if you have something a little bit more simple, you wouldn't have to pick up your needle and pivot at every curve. At this point, I'm about 30, maybe 40% finished with this. And I have the body completed. And again, there's a lot of curves. So, you're seeing me pivot and move the t-shirt and the yarn in position to match up with that outline I sketched originally. Reminder: if you don't have a graphic that has a lot of curves in it, you wouldn't have to do this. But I had to pick a graphic with a bunch of lines that curve in multiple different directions. Don't be like me. And we are coming to the tail end of this video. Don't forget to backstitch. Always start and stop with a backstitch. And when you're finished, you should have something that looks like this. Now remember when I said that the sketching the outline on tracing paper is completely optional at the beginning of this video? Here's why. I recreated this with a black t-shirt and white yarn. I actually freehand drew this directly on the black tee because I wanted the graphic bigger, and in my opinion it came out much cleaner on the black tee. But of course I did not record myself sewing the black tee. But let me know which one you like better, the black tee or the white one. And if you decide to try this, tag me and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.